In the winter months, birds, sparrows, starlings, ones that live in your bathroom vent or your stove vent or your vents on your roof or maybe your chimney, it's a great time to get them out in the winter months because a lot of them have flown south. Pigeons though, they're active 365 days a year. So you're having a problem with a pigeon nesting because they'll nest and give birth constantly throughout the years. Now is the time to act on them. You may have been hearing those birds, they may have been defecating, on your property, on your vehicle throughout the summer, into the fall. You may notice that they're gone, but they will come back to that same nest and lay eggs again. So it's imperative during the winter months, if you've had birds previously, for us to come out, clean up those nesting material, any parasites that are attracted to those birds, and then bird-proof your home and give you that lifetime guarantee. You won't have a problem again.